Hey guys. Okay, so Dylan was pretty excited about his installing his own light bar on his Traxxas 110 Summit. So he's like, let's get outside and give her a run when it gets a little dark, Dad. I mean, it's March 31st, March 30th?
No, 39th.
39th? There's no 39 days in 1 month, buddy.
Yeah, 30th.
It's March 30th, so that's spring was, the first day of spring was the 21st of March. And yeah, we had a blizzard. There's a ton of snow. It's not very warm, so, but that's all right. Dylan wanted to play with the truck and show you his new light bar. So we're just gonna let her rip from here, eh?
Yeah.
All right.
Right down the stairs.
Oh boy, it's cold out here, buddy. I can't believe it's spring.
Yeah.
There's a lot of snow. You're stuck already.
I'm not completely stuck.
Oh, there you go. Oh, you better back her up a little. Well, I'm not sure anybody wants to actually watch you just spin out, so
I'll go get it.
give her a little push. Let's get her out on the road.
There we go. Now that we're out of that
All right.
really deep snow.
Well,
Yes.
okay, give me a second here, dude. Okay, it's kind of light down there, but maybe take a rip down and let her come this way to show off your new light bar. What do you think?
Really slick. That's one thing I know.
Let me see that light bar, boy. Oh, that's one sweet rig.
Deep snow.
Nice ride. That light bar looks good. Gives you lots of brightness. When it's really dark, you're going to be able to see.
Really deep here.
Let her rip. Holy, that light bar makes it really bright.
Oh yeah!
Like
Glowing.
the stock lights that were in it before were awesome, but with the light bar too, wow.
Yeah.
Like the camera even has a hard time picking it up because it's so bright, it just like reflects back.
Plowing through that deep.
Oh, nice jump.
That was a big jump. Gotta get some air off.
You're gonna do it again?
I'll try to.
Okay. Let's see if I can get a good. Not bad. The last one you did was a little better, but that's all right. You know what, buddy? Oh, catwalk.
What were you gonna say?
I was gonna say, you know what? As much as it's awesome filming you, playing and checking out your new light bar, it's cold out here. I don't think we're gonna last. I like to get out and play, but when it's, you know, minus 18 Celsius
The snow locked it, so it will be.
and no sun shining, it's a little chilly. Oh, and you can still see where he is because of the little glow from all the lights. And I think you just flipped them over.
Well, it's kind of the smallest area to turn around here, because
Well, it's a wall of snow. You just climbed the wall of snow and tipped them upside down. You can't
it's not that easy.
see if I can hold the camera up and see them in the snow. Here, show people how much snow we actually got. Drive down there again. Show them where people shoveled the sidewalk. How big it is. Go slow. Go slow so I can show them how deep it is.
And that's a
It covers
bigger,
the 110 summit by like twice the height.
and that's a
And it was almost melted the other day.
pretty big RC too.
Yeah, exactly.
So
Go. That's how you flipped them last time.
that was a little bit harder when you're also on ice to turn around, and then you're going up snow ramps. It's not the easiest thing to do.
Oh,
Just dug right in.
this is one where we should have been live streaming, but I haven't learned how to use live stream properly yet.
Probably a good thing I can know about this thing.
Yeah?
I don't think I'd be able to do this.
Let's take our attention from the truck for a minute and go see what Dylan's doing. There you, oh, it's dark. You can barely see you. Cold enough for you, son?
Yeah, I'm shivering.
Are you just about ready to go back in now that you've shown off your cool new light bar that you put on?
Yeah, probably once it dies.
Yeah? Well, once it dies, well, we're going to be out here for another 10, 15 minutes then. That's
Probably
right.
longer.
Well, especially when you got it in low gear, just crawling around, it
what's that?
lasts a lot longer. Well, why are you flashing red? Did you accidentally touch your top button, or is your LiPo already going low?
Might already be low.
You better check it out. You don't want to over discharge those LiPos.
Nope. Oh, it's still green.
Is it?
Yeah.
Huh.
It's green and teen.
Did you accidentally push a button?
Like what?
Oh.
I don't know why my remote's flashing red. See?
We'll have to check that out.
Hmm.
Here,
Still works.
you take the camera for a second.
Okay. Sorry about the blackness. My gloves were covering the camera, guys. Taking it from my dad.
Oh, now we got nothing.
Huh. That's weird.
Are you sure the light goes on, dude?
It is green.
Okay, can you turn off your ESC and restart it? Try
Hold the
that.
phone, please.
Yeah.
Hold our viewers. It's off.
Okay.
Turn the remote off. Turn the remote back on.
Yeah. No, she's flashing red. That's strange.
truck screen.
Huh.
We'll have to fix that when we get in.
Okay, well maybe we should take it in then.
Yeah.
Because if you have a problem, we want to know what that problem is before we get carried away. Somebody in the comments will probably tell us what the problem is. But like we said, we've learned a lot over the last few years of getting into the RC hobby, but we're still learning as we go.
I'll drive up here and then try and get onto ours.
And our audience can either learn with us or tell us what we're doing wrong. Buddy, I think that's enough.
Yeah.
Just let's carry her in. Let's take one more little gather at your lights. At a standstill. Oh, that was perfect. Don't move. There we go.
That's
New Traxxas light bar. Dylan installed on his own. See, even kids can do it. A little help from Dad and we got her. Hey?
yeah.
Good job. Okay, let's go warm up. Okay, guys.
See you guys in the next one.
Say thanks for watching.
Thanks for watching.